Kabosio mwanjumo rigereria murikio manene BW'EKIAMA kia UDA Hassan Omar nigo bono AAKIRE MBUYA gochia sabana inchi hapo baesogetie no gwaka chikura sobonga Obochori Oboke obwakorekaneta ase chikaunti cha Samburu Elgeyo Marakwet hamwe na Narok ase kiama kia UDA Kenya rutobu ebirogo byonsi bibere byobo MCA nabo igo ekemo ky'obojumbe mensemo ebunge ya Emurwadekir asate abire nigo bone kiama kia UDA kegendrete kuyarigania bokongo Obochori Oboke no mwako gocha.
Part of the reasons I called you here is also through you to express our most sincere gratitude to all the supporters of the UDA party in the 3 electoral units in Emurwadekir, in Poro Ward in Samburu County, and in Endo Ward in Elgeyo Marakwet County for their very decisive wins. And to also thank those who to compete with UDA and lose with very minimum excuses. In conversation and in partnership with our coalition broad-based partners in the ODM, we therefore also want to dedicate this victory to their partnership, because part of the victories have been largely as a consequence of the support and the coordinated strategies that we've had as parties. But the continued vote of faith that the Kenyan people have continued to extend to President William Ruto, vote of confidence, and his government and the programs are demonstrable of the impact that the UDA party has